At least 6 people have died and 4 injured after a car crash in Nicholasville, Kentucky. An SUV car was travelling on a highway when it lost control, crossed the central reservation and collided head-on with a van before bursting into flames.
Yeah, one of the cars was on fire. There was lots of Good Samaritans that had stopped and tried to assist.
There were 5 people in each vehicle. Several of the dead were children, and 2 people were thrown out of the SUV before it went up in flames. Authorities are looking into the possibility that road rage or reckless driving by the driver of the station wagon caused him to lose control. The highway was shut down in both directions for several hours as police worked to reconstruct the accident. The 4 people injured were taken to a local hospital, and several county coroners were called to assist with the bodies.